So Austin. So Marlon Benedict. Tan Afwan Carl Ivan, Gold Medal for Outstanding Undergraduate Thesis. Pe Charmaine. T. John Darrell. Tungol Justin McHale. Velasco Patrick Ian. Versosa Katrina, Gold Medal for Outstanding Undergraduate Thesis and Loyalty. Villaga Francis Irvin. Villarreal Jomil Ivan. Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering. Astillero Albert Leo. Galvez Austin Dorothy. Hernandez Conrado Miguel. Labor Alejandro. Marfa Kevin Cerces. Mystica Tricia. Nagpala Eileen. Ong Leslie May. Rilio Raza Alian Marie Joan. Rivera Mikhail. Seno Brian Mitchell. Uy Jeric Irvin. Vitanzos Joel, Loyalty. Bachelor of Science in Industrial Management Engineering, minor in Information Technology. Balagtas Brian. Ching Edric Warner. Kok Joycelyn. Liao Kelsey Nathaniel. Meneses Thomas Joseph, Honorable Mention and Loyalty. Ortiz Jose Miguel. Tan Craig Donald. T. Lexandra Jessica. Bachelor of Science in Industrial Management Engineering, minor in Service Management. Ko Priscilla Nicole. De la Peña Erica Ana, Gold Medal for Outstanding Undergraduate Thesis. Eugenio Carla Victoria, Honorable Mention. Gianan Genil. Lynn Mark Louis. Luarca Louis Margaret, Gold Medal for Outstanding Undergraduate Thesis. Bachelor of Science in Manufacturing Engineering and Management with specialization in Biomedical Engineering. Lim Crisia Nicole. Ong Brent Christopher, cum laude and Gold Medal for Outstanding Undergraduate Thesis. Bachelor of Science in Manufacturing Engineering and Management with specialization in Mechatronics and Robotics Engineering. Alquiza Ben Francis. Paredes Arma Joyce. Tan Jeremy. Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Agkawili Joaquin Alfonso. Amparo Carlos Manuel. Bautista Fernan Jade, cum laude and Gold Medal for Outstanding Undergraduate Thesis and Loyalty. Cerda Michael Joseph, Honorable Mention. Kobangkiat Elvin Clyde, magna cum laude and Gold Medal for Outstanding Undergraduate Thesis. Coronel Luis Chino. Cruz Ryan Christopher, Gold Medal for Outstanding Undergraduate Thesis. Cuevas Matthew. Cunha Cyril Brainard. Cuico Kevin. Dayo Christian Henry. De Guzman Louis. De Jesus Marco Anthony, honorable mention and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. De Leon Eric Jason, loyalty. De la Rama Patrick Raymond. Go Wilmark Darrell. Husi Crisia Christina, honorable mention and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Lava Benjamin Jr. Limpo Luis Lorenzo. Magbuhat Don Carlo. Perales Rainier Jr., loyalty. Rhea Crisel Angelica, gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Regalado Paulo Steven. Ruiz Ashley Marie, honorable mention. Sau Flynn Dominic, magna cum laude and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Santa Ana Shildon Clement. Tamargo Franz Zurich. Tan-Mary Agnes, cum laude and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Tansinko Ralph Lawrence, cum laude and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Uy Mark Arvin. And Ventura Raisa Lisette, honorable mention and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis.
Thank you very much, Dr. Seva. Dr. Danilo Dayag, Director of the Center for Language and Lifelong Learning of the Brother Andrew Gonzalez FSC College of Education, will introduce the graduates from the college.
Doctor of Philosophy in Applied Linguistics, Amarles Arceli. Navarosa Alex. Doctor of Philosophy in Education, major in Educational Leadership and Management, Executive Program, Aureliosa Joyce. Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Psychology, Ochoa Josefina. Master of Arts in Counseling, Chavez Adrian. Chen Yi Chen. Nathan Rapai Alex. Master of Science in Teaching, major in Biology, Santiago Jacqueline. Master in Learning and Teaching, Perez Marie Minaperl. Ramos Dexter. Master of Arts in Counseling, Abanyo Crystal Laura. Manaig Sharina. Ocampo Raisa Rowena. Master of Education, major in Early Childhood Education, De Vera Ana Katrina. Master of Education, major in Special Education, Saez Francis. Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Early Childhood Education, De La Cruz Monina Gini, honorable mention. Katikbak Maripaz, honorable mention. Lagdameo Sofia Cristina, cum laude. Ross Alessandra Mika, honorable mention and loyalty. Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, Bacamante Kathleen. Go Ann Janine. G. Bitna. Kim Soo Bin. And T. Jenica Lindsay.
Thank you, Dr. Dayag. Dr. Merlin Theodosia Suarez, Dean of the College of Computer Studies, will introduce the graduates from the college.
Master of Science in Information Technology, Dumlao Marisa Gale. Garcia Jim Paul. Hapson Alan Ralph. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, major in Computer Systems Engineering, Abiera Gabriel Philip, magna cum laude. Lee Joshua Jorel, honorable mention. Mandak Bien Justin, honorable mention. Ke Sherwin Victor. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, major in Instructional Systems Technology, Bermilio Ana Francesca. Carriaga Jeka Elisha. Castro Marco Angelo. Chu Carmina. Del Rio Lucia Andrea. Del Rosario Alberto Luis. De la Torre Gabriel Antonio. Enriquez Karina Miren. Esberto Alison. Esguera Christian Terence. Herobin Mariejo. Guzman Ann Gabriel. Lorenzo Lara Monica. Pangan Lord Kevin. Ke Sherwin. Rodriguez Mark Brian, loyalty. Salde Ed Wilson. Sulit Angelica Marie. Tan Kervin Arthur. Tiamzon Kyle Jonelli. Vizcara Angela Marie. Wu Keja Valerie. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science with specialization in Network Engineering, Apostol Gerard Christian. Cipriano Jose Marie. Endraca Alexander. King Brian Genesis. Mejia Hero. Reforial Henry. Reyes Louis Miguel, loyalty. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science with specialization in Software Technology, Arce Mauro Edmund Miguel, loyalty. Bienes Kaiser Clive. Kagampan Bernadine, honorable mention and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Kaisip Julian Ray. Kalapatia Earl Arvin. Canillas Ramon Miguel. Katindig Cassandra, honorable mention. Chan Jerwin. Chan Mark Anthony. Decena Crisanto Joma. Evasco Kevin. Garcia Jan. Garcia Jeremy Odrick. Gatmaitan Raimundo III, loyalty. Go Giorgio Ferrero, honorable mention and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Gonzalez Michael Joseph. Guarnes Gary Allen. Wang Yao Hong. Jimenez Nicleus, honorable mention. Joseph Paulo. Ku Daniel Kenerick. La Chica Joshua Daniel. Laksamana Rico Luis. Limson Marvin, honorable mention. Ling Giselle Odelia, cum laude and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Longalong Jericho Romeo. Marquez Nicole Eric, honorable mention. Martinez Jeline Joy. Masnayon Laarmi Shaula. Miranda Ephraim Maria. Montaño John Maron. Nakpil Joaquin Angelo. Nang Henry, gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Nang Jasmine Irene, honorable mention. Ormoc Michelle, honorable mention. Otial Ronel Martin. Panuelos Kevin Matthew, cum laude and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Pascual Ramon Gabriel. Peralta Bruce Elmer. Ramos Brian Carlo, honorable mention. Reganit Annalyn. Rojas Ranceli Jane. Teng Alvin Theodore. Tin Erwin. Uy Kirsten Keisel, honorable mention and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Yap Lauren Justin, cum laude. Yap Sashmir. Zamora Carlo Jose, loyalty. Bachelor of Science in Information and Communication Technology Management, Chua Calvin. Estuesta Samuel Roy. Bachelor of Science in Information Systems, Abraham Juan Carlos. Africa Maria Andrea Cristiana, honorable mention. Aquino Cara Nicole. Atayan Nicelle Jillian. Bool Jamaica Jane, honorable mention. Buku Lester. Cervantes Heidel Marie Janelle. Corotan John Martin. Cortez Lawrence Angelo. Esperanza Ray Julien. Foliero Miko Alberto. Gangaramani Sanita. Elasio Eunice. Hernandez Kevin Runzel, honorable mention and outstanding contribution to the department. Lim Christine Ann. Lim Mark Lewis. Martin Marisa Joyce. Nang Michael Angelo. Ong Gadiel Esli. Patron Paulo Angelo. Codalia Mariel Luis. Rignon Kirk Andrew. Ronquillo Meladane. Sevilla Olive Marie. Sumagang Mikhail Brian. Tiolenko Ritz Van Allen. Tolentino Iñaki Julian, Loyalty. Valbuena Vanessa Joyce. Villanueva Anthony Noel. Idel Emmanuel Jotham, Honorable Mention. Almunguera Janet. Yoro Sean Alvin.
Thank you, Dr. Suarez. Dr. Julio Tihanki, Dean of the College of Liberal Arts, will introduce the graduates from the college.
Doctor of Philosophy in Applied Theology, Macaraan Willard Enrique, outstanding dissertation. Doctor of Philosophy in Philippine Studies, Language, Culture, Media, Garcia Elizabeth. Master of Arts in Education, major in Religious and Values Education, with specialization in Formative Counseling and Spiritual Direction, Nguyen T. Phuong Lan. Master of Arts in Philosophy, Esteban Aaron Maica. Master of Fine Arts in Creative Writing, Alquisola VJ, Gold Medal for Outstanding Master's Thesis. Mendez Mario. Sagid Joseph, Gold Medal for Outstanding Master's Thesis. Master of Health Social Science, Alterado Axel. Myras Christine. Monido Dominique. Palalay Harvey. San Roque Michael John. Tangkalagan Kent. Master of Science in Psychology, major in Clinical Psychology, Tirasona Maria Andrea. Yuwico Isabel Regina. Master of Science in Psychology, major in Industrial Organizational Psychology, Pili Dorothy Ann. Master of Science in Psychology, major in Psychological Measurement, Abbas Rolando. Master of Education, major in Religious and Values Education with specialization in Formative Counseling and Spiritual Direction, Luis Henor. Bachelor of Arts, major in Communication Arts and Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Advertising Management, Watt Patricia Loyalty. Ong Eleanor Lisette. Bachelor of Arts, major in Communication Arts and Bachelor of Science in Advertising Management, Chua Charito. Winifred. Bachelor of Arts, major in Communication Arts and Bachelor of Science in Marketing Management, Hipolito John Paul. Bachelor of Arts, major in Communication Arts and Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Marketing Management, Prieto Tamia Christine. Bachelor of Arts, major in Organizational Communication and Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Marketing Management, Bonus Christian, honorable mention. Bachelor of Arts, major in Political Science and Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Advertising Management, Del Mundo Bernadette. Bachelor of Arts, major in Psychology, and Bachelor of Science in Business Management, Rafa Rayan. Bachelor of Arts, major in Psychology, and Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Marketing Management, Ponce Robert Roland. Bachelor of Arts, major in Development Studies, and Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Marketing Management, Silva Harold. Bachelor of Arts in International Studies, major in European Studies, and Bachelor of Science in Business Management, Vergara Javier Lorenzo, honorable mention and loyalty. Bachelor of Arts in International Studies, major in Japanese Studies, and Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management of Financial Institutions, Ong Catherine. Bachelor of Arts in Communication, Barleta Inocencio Clapton. O Dong Suk. Panizales Lynette May. Bachelor of Arts, major in Communication Arts, Aguas Maria Isabel. Ang Denise Justine. Barbarona Gian Carl. Bonifacio Leo Angelo. Canteras Mark Vincent, loyalty. Chan Victor Ryan. Cruz Christine Ann. Cruz Igor. Cruz Jose Lorenzo. Cruz Catherine Claire. David Jennifer Ann, honorable mention. De Leon Patricia Maria. De Ocampo Geoffrey Gerard. De Los Santos Zoe Ann. Garcia Kemi Refi, honorable mention. Go Antoinette. Ke Jonathan Justine, honorable mention. Lacson Francesca Nicole. Lam Anna. Lee Prince Varick. Malolos Cyrene. Misalucha Mariel, honorable mention. Peria Katrina Marie. Prado John Vincent. Reyes Michelle Joy. Rivera Emmanuel Marie, honorable mention. Rodriguez Adrian Alfonso, loyalty. Sarmiento Alviar Jus. C. Sabrina Bernice. Sombilon Julia Ann. Soto Kevin Charles. Wang Yun, honorable mention. Bachelor of Arts, major in Organizational Communication, Agustin Diana Isabella. Arcebal Myla. Calapas Kimberly. Ko Marie Stephanies Beatrice. Ko Macy Lane. Cord Cruz Katrina Nicole. Eraskin Charmaine. Gamila Karen Christie. Go Charlene Denise. Joven Cara Francesca. Lynn Yan Yan. Manuel Amita Grace. Mariano Kim Trisha. Maylie Anjanette. Nikdao Maria Katrina. Pagtalunan Francesca Bernadette. Pensotes Monique. Ramirez Patricia Marie. Raimundo Micaela Maria. Reyes Nigel Justin. Rodriguez Kim Sebastian. Santiago Maria Lourdes Camille. Saison, Maria Rio Rita. Tataro, Tunichi. Tolentino, Queenie Eloy. Uy, Shari Danica. Bachelor of Arts, major in Communication Arts. Aguas, Maria Isabel. Ang, Denise Justine. Barbarona, Gian Carl. Bonifacio, Leo Angelo. Canteras, Mark Vincent, Loyalty. Chan, Victor Ryan. Cruz, Christine Ann. Cruz, Igor. Cruz, Jose Lorenzo. Mali. Take two. Bachelor of Arts, major in Philosophy, Barnachea, Daniel Philip. Okay, mali pa rin. Bautista, Martin Alec. Okay. That's CLA for you. Bachelor of Arts, major in Political Science. Antonio Abigail Marie. Valdivia Luis Emmanuel. Besoro Danley May. Chua Jarvin. Comendador Macreen Gabriel. Cruz Maria Florence Shara, magna cum laude. Dialino Michael Gerald. Lalas John Christian. Ninomiya Masako. Ramos Roven Daryl. Tan Pauline Gale. Bachelor of Arts, major in Psychology, Abdurrahman Sherhan. Alban Patricia Noel. Alonso Lorenzo Maria. Amoroso Gila Jensin. Añasco Daniel. Arquesa Kimberly Kaila, honorable mention. Bautista Alisa Marianne. Bautista Regine. Bailon Remil Jericho, loyalty. Bonifacio Jeremiah. Cariño John Mark. Katabijan Carlo Magno. Katindig Maria Carmina, cum laude. Kayab Faye Andrea. Chan Richel. Chin Patrick Thomas. Cruz Maxine Elizabeth. Dator Carmela. De Leon Justine. De los Reyes Jamie Lee. Espina Kenneth Cromwell, loyalty. Estanislao Daniel. Felix Trina. Fong Joyce Ann. Francisco Tatiana Constance. Garde Cara Marguerite. Gatan Ramon Carlos. Guzman Maria Angelica, honorable mention. Hison Isabel Francine. Honrado Enrique. Ignacio Erica May, honorable mention. Javier Therese Fatima. Lee Carla Patrice cum laude. Licaros Rochelle Kate. Lim Patricia Denise. Lou Maurice. Luces Louise Ann, magna cum laude. Magat Benjamin Amiel, loyalty. Maniego Giancarlo. Manrique Maria Teresa. Marinay Christian Keith, loyalty. Martinez Rafael Luigi, loyalty. Mirasol Pia Mariel. Noe Yun Su. Pabustan Brian. Padilla Jamina Ann. Paz Justine cum laude. Pertiera Katrina Maria Rosario. Placido Alma Abigail, honorable mention. Pongase Maria Justine. Pulido Claudel, honorable mention. Raralio Roy Joshua. Riosa Natasha Cristina, cum laude. Rojas Jose Carlos, honorable mention. San Diego Claudine Antoinette. Santos Joseph Russell. Sarmiento Ivan Theodore. Sembrano Patricia May. Season Maria Carmela Teresita, honorable mention. Santo Tomas Patricia Angelica. Sumit Maria Margaret Ann, honorable mention. Sulano Gauril June. Tan Natalie. Tan Rachel Carmiela, honorable mention. Tanlimco Ceres. Chotico Esther May Marie. Cham Janelle. Tirones Catherine May, honorable mention. Tolentino Lawrence Angelo. Tolentino Neil Anthony, cum laude. Umali Richard Nicolas. Uy Monica. Ver Justine Keith. Veran Genevieve. Viñas Juan Paulo, loyalty. Yu Carla Maris. Bachelor of Arts in Development Studies, Juan Aldrich Benedict. Concepcion Stephen Paulo. Sulaiman Kaman Lee. Usi Charles Adonis. Valenzuela Kathleen Ann. Bachelor of Arts in History, Aguinaldo Lawrence Pacifico. Paumig John Patrick. Santiago Neil Justine. Tan Stephen Maxwell. Wong Rodrigo Jr. Bachelor of Arts in Literature, Celestino Krisha, Shana, magna cum laude and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Chan Matthew, honorable mention and loyalty. Dayao Sabrina Victoria, cum laude. Gakusan Frances Jahara Naomi, cum laude. Lim Simba Myrtle, cum laude. Santos Carlota May. Tolentino Isabella Marie. Villa Manuel III. Bachelor of Arts in Sports Studies, Alina Pemrick Jericho. Bolos Danica. Ong Miller Joy. Ramos Camille. Rose Lawrence Victor. Bachelor of Arts in Behavioral Science, major in Organizational and Social Systems Development. Acedillo Ruela Jean. Aguilar Paulina Alexandra. Alopo Mary Joanna. Ang Patricia Dayan. Iran Christine. Bautista Mark Erickson. Bernasor Eralyn. Kalalan Rendell. Chen Janet. Destao Misralines. Garcia Julian. Gaston Eves Vincent Felix Jr., Loyalty. Kildoy Luzon Valentine Josie Beth. Laksamana Maria Paz. Manalo Carlos Vincent. Manlangit Melvin John. Medina Rafael Miguel. Patag Juan Antonio Miguel, Loyalty. Trovera Gerald Luigi. Saldariaga Franco Primo. Bachelor of Arts in International Studies, major in American Studies. Agabao Aresa Marie. Delansig Colleen Juday. Lee Ka-un. Lemmy Erica Clarice, Honorable Mention. Lim Danielle Marie. Reo Gabriel Marie Angelo. Reyes Kevin Joseph, Loyalty. Santos Mary Rose. Sedon Bea. Takub Angelica Fatima, Honorable Mention. Taytay Leo Merish. Bachelor of Arts in International Studies, major in European Studies. Adriano Miguel, Loyalty. Aguilar Carlo. Bartilad Abigail. Cacho Ruby Rose, cum laude and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Emia Vanna Pauline. Handayan Hilary Stacy. Kim Unji, cum laude. Labit Vida Erica. Lau Lance Marion. Magbanwa Cherry Ruby. Mansilla Maria Angela, gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Montojo Miriam. Palmones Angela Gabriel. Quintos Maria Patricia, Honorable Mention. Rice Christine Jane. Revilla Catherine Marie. Bachelor of Arts in International Studies, major in Japanese Studies. Asistores Andrea Mandica, Honorable Mention. Bautista Marco Antonio, Honorable Mention. Karingal Marjorie. Chua Gail Ann, Honorable Mention. De Guzman Nicole. Esteves Stephanie Beatriz. Jeremia Cassandra Alicia, Honorable Mention. Harada Lovely Rica, Honorable Mention. Lim Benjamin Jr., Honorable Mention. Nocom Paulo Agustin. Recto, Robbie. Salonga, Ina Samantha. Bachelor of Arts in Philippine Studies, major in Filipino in Mass Media. Arellano Vernet Ann, magna cum laude and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Cruz, Leonardo. Custodio, Reina. De Rivera, Jose Jaime Luis. Liwanag, Leslie Ann, magna cum laude and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Miranda, Mark Anthony. Ocampo Celine, Emma, honorable mention. Payumo, Maria Elisa Nadine. Rivera, Carlo, gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Roraldo, Maureen. Silvestre, Janil Bea Marie. Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Asaraga, Christopher Edward. Baltasar, Denise Beatriz. Banting, Roseanne K. Baro, Marie Beatriz, honorable mention. Baisik, Maria Victoria. Bendicion, Matthew. Bo, Arthur Arvin. Bondo, Marlene, cum laude. Kakapit, Janine Joyce, honorable mention. Kapili, Melody Ann, honorable mention. Karandang, Justin Kenneth. Castillo, Audrey Elizabeth, honorable mention. Chua, Abigail. Cruzem, Christine Ann. Kumagun, Ann Camille, honorable mention. De Guzman, Alisa Bianca, honorable mention. De Leon, Esraline, honorable mention. De Lenya, Mary Irene Claire, honorable mention. De Rihe, Clarence Marta, honorable mention. Gagnani, Chris Trina Hong, Jinren, honorable mention. Justo, Katrina. Kraut, Aaron John, honorable mention. Lim, Charlene Jobel. Menyes, Marian Alice. Morales, Erica Yvonne. Payumo, Alexa Alena, magna cum laude. Paz, Miria Leana. Petines, Pamela Marie. Phone, Naing, Penny Ann. Quinto, Noel Isaiah, magna cum laude. Romana Nadia Beatriz, honorable mention. Santos, Real Regine. C. Melissa Jane, magna cum laude. Tagibao, Regina. Tanwatco, Maria Angela. Villamayor, Jans Armstrong.
Thank you very much, Dr. Tiangki. Dr. Arlene Pascasio, Dean of the College of Science, will introduce the graduates from the college.
Master of Science in Physics, Bakuyag Dani. Oliveros Jervy. Master of Science in Environmental Science and Ecosystem Management, Coronado Julianne Marie. Passion Daryl. Bachelor of Science in Biochemistry. Alea Alzea Crisel, magna cum laude and gold medal for undergraduate thesis. Baro Maria Fatima. Chua Phil Berlin, honorable mention. Chua Joanne Alexandra. Ko Diane Elaine, cum laude and gold medal for undergraduate thesis. David Valerie. De la Cruz John Patrick, loyalty. Degit Christian Deo, cum laude. De la Cruz Michelle May. Go Kathleen, magna cum laude and excellence in chemistry. Imperial Ponce Wilfred. Lee Hanung, honorable mention and gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Lee Hayan, gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Motiani Sanjay, gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis. Ocampo John Lester. Sanchez Azedine Erica. Vidal Manuel Jr., magna cum laude, gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis and excellence in chemistry. Bachelor of Science in Biology, Atienza Melanie Ann. Carpeso Marie Eliza Zyrene. Creancia Pauline Claire. Duncan Kimberly Delia. Gutierrez Angelina Marie. Illustre Louis Marie. Labadan Riza May. Remo Viela May. Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, Barikawa Raynel Kyra. Bauca Maria Trija. Carion Jan Rochelle. Chua Lizette Cindy. Ko Wendy Loren. 20 Sean Michael. Domingo Maria Adrian Bernadette. Hines Crisia Ray. Go Natasha Pauline. Huang Jialing. Lee Odwin. Ong Marian. Yadao Rachel Ann. Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, minor in Business Studies. Arevalo Charlotte R. Jane, honorable mention. Lim Maria Isabel. Lira Brandon Cyril. Bachelor of Science in Mathematics with specialization in Business Applications. Chua Diane Lorraine, honorable mention. Krook Margaret Ann. De Silva Charles Jan Kyla. Destacamento Casper Joseph, honorable mention. Diaz Aris Ariel, cum laude. Guerra Kim Bernadette. Gutierrez Paulina Gracia. Hanairo Clarissa May, cum laude. Lyson Arwin, cum laude. Lim Jem Lorraine. Luby Marilette Abigail. Marasigan Mary Michelle. Mijares Maria Eleanor Therese, honorable mention. Morales Maria Angelica. Ognita Denmark Santiago. Ong Charmaine Claire. Rodriguez Andre Dominic, honorable mention. Santos Bernadette Luis. Tan Ann Eunice. Tan Janessa. Tankilut Alisa Daniel. Tieng Denacia Gale, summa cum laude, gold medal for outstanding undergraduate thesis and excellence in mathematics. Villanueva Ralph Jacinto. Bachelor of Science in Mathematics with specialization in computer applications, Domingo Roberto. Ko Mark Kevin. Lamug Reginald Dean, Loyalty. Paragas Roxanne. Charlotte